What's up, y'all? This is Clint again. Another review on something I purchased. I've been doing some construction on my house, replacing siding, and instead of going with the original cedar that was initially on it, which is 10-inch channel lap, these boards are $25 a piece, including tax, for a 10-foot board. This Hardie board right here, or James Hardie siding, is a cement fiber. It's a pain in the ass to cut it, but you can do it with a utility knife. I even used a handsaw on these and got a straight cut. But anyway, the review is on these little jigs here, made by Pack Tool, Gecko gauge. So what you do, you got to set up your first line of siding level first, so it takes 2 people. But after that, you just slide this up underneath the siding and tighten it up. They say a third of the way from the edge. I mean, the biggest thing is going to be as long as it's between your studs, because otherwise you could crack that siding. And then you just slide your siding up. And get it in place. I got mine awfully tight. You may have to trim a little bit here and there. I've got this house completely waterproof underneath it, so even if there's a gap, it's not going to matter. And then from here, you would just hammer in on your stud lines there. Want you to know for a fact this level, sitting flush. There we go. Do that on all the studs. Work your way all the way up, and then they say once you're finished, just for aesthetics, you can put finish nails down here, flush with the siding. I may or may not do that. These siding nails are going to hold pretty good. They're 2 inches long with some ridges on them, so they're going to hold really well. But anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. Have a good one.